Alright, you know the drill. GMTK Game Jam Day 2. Today, we're gonna add some things. And I have a list. Number 1, add a main menu. Number 2, make the game harder. Number 3, add a time limit. And finally, number 4, add a leaderboard. Alright, so now we know what we need to do. Let's get right into it. To start, we're gonna make a main menu. So let's create a new scene. And then we'll name it main menu. Okay. And then we're gonna open it up and start creating the layout. Alright, some black magic layer, and we have a simple menu layout. Alright, so now let's make it work. Alright, some more black magic later, and it should work. Hello? Why aren't you working? Oh, I forgot to set up the scene list. Alright, so we'll go up here, go there, click there, add this scene, rearrange the scene, and now it should be good to go. So let's test, and now it works. Okay, so now all we gotta do is we just gotta make the quit button work now. So let's do some coding. Okay, so now that should work, so let's run the game, and then we'll click play. And do some buying and selling here. Make sure the game works, which it does. Then you can exit and quit, and it'll close the game. Okay, so what I did there was I just changed the color of the text at the top. But with that, now our main menu is officially complete. Okay, so my first idea is to make the graph move less to make it harder, so let's do that. Okay, so the graph moves less now, so that's one of the things done. Now, let's give the player less starting money. About 50 should be good enough. Okay, and then my third idea is to make the graph move slower. Let's go to project settings and then find the time right there, and let's make it about 0.7. Alright, that's good, and let's test it. Okay, so it moves slower, yeah, and yeah, so I can't buy as many, and it's not going like as much up and down, so that'll be good. So yeah, I'd say this is an absolute win. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna implement a time limit where you only have like 60 seconds to make as much money as possible. So that's pretty much it, so let's get started. Alright, so far we have a time limit that counts down from any number. It doesn't stop and it doesn't show it on the screen, so I have to get working on that now. Okay, so now when I play this, it should show up on the screen and count down, which it does. So progress. Now time to make it actually do something. Okay, so now if you run out of time, like I'm about to here, it'll say time's up, and it'll stop the graph. So, more progress. Okay, so if you run out of time, you'll see that it says time's up, and everything stops, and then it kicks you back to the main menu, which means that our time system is officially complete. Okay, time to add the leaderboard. So I think I'll start by creating a leaderboard, like with the Unity stuff, because it has built-in leaderboards, and then just create some code that adds people to the leaderboard. Okay, so the adding people to the leaderboard code is done. Now I'm going to add a button on the main menu that says leaderboard, and then create like a little leaderboard GUI. Okay, so now we've got just like a simple little leaderboard GUI. Now I think we should probably make it actually work, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, so now we should have a functioning leaderboard that shows people on it. And it does. It shows my thing from earlier with the randomly generated username in first. So I guess the last thing to do is to just make all the buttons work. So let's get into that. Alright, so I finished the leaderboard and it pretty much entirely works. Only problem is that the like names on the leaderboard have a bunch of space in between them, but I'll fix that later. But I think that's gonna end it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and check out part 1, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.